Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a present you have given someone. You should say who you gave it to, what kind of present it was, how it compared to other presents you have given, and explain why you decided to give this particular gift.
Sure, I can describe a present I gave to my friend on her birthday. I gave the present to my close friend, who was turning 25 years old. It was a necklace that I had specially picked out for her. It was a delicate silver necklace with a beautiful pendant that I knew she would love. Compared to other presents I have given, this one was more special and personal. In the past, I have given her things like clothes and books, but this time I wanted to give her something that she could keep and wear for a long time. I decided to give her this particular gift because she had mentioned to me before that she was looking for a new necklace to wear. Also, I knew that she had been going through a tough time and I wanted to give her something that would make her feel special and loved on her birthday. When I gave her the gift, she was very happy and surprised. She immediately put it on and said that it was exactly what she wanted. Seeing her happy made me feel really good, and I was glad that I had chosen something that she liked. Overall, giving gifts is a great way to show someone that you care about them, and I always try to put a lot of thought into the gifts that I give. This particular gift was especially meaningful because it was something that my friend could wear and cherish for a long time, and it made her feel happy on her special day. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.